Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate GoCanvas with Asana. All right. So to integrate GoCanvas with Asana, you can use third-party automation platform like Zapier, or it could be NA10, Make.com, or some other similar automation platform. All right. For this example, we're going to be using Zapier. And if you didn't know yet, GoCanvas right here. Integration is still in the works, but you can go ahead and call them or reach out to their support to request a custom integration. Okay, you can just go ahead and click on this link and there will be a form. So going back, we're going to be using Zapier. Just go ahead over to zapier.com and create your account if you haven't done so. All right, it's pretty easy to log in or sign up. Now, once you're in your dashboard right here, just go ahead over to the left panel and click on Create at the top left. Click on Zaps. So in here, we're going to be using, for example, a GoCanvas as a trigger. Just go ahead and look it up in the search bar, GoCanvas, like so. Click on it. Now select the trigger event. It could be a new submission. All right. Triggers. As it says here, it will be triggered when a new submission is uploaded to GoCanvas for the specified app. Just click on it and log in with your GoCanvas account in here in the section. Now, once that's done, hit on Continue. Now select the app name or the GoCanvas project name, right? Say, for example, I'm just going to use job ticket and then hit on Continue. Test it out just to make sure that the connection with GoCanvas and Zapier is good. All right, hit on Continue with selected record, tap away, and as you can see here, now have a check mark. So let's go ahead and select an action. Okay, click on Action. So whenever there's new submission here on GoCanvas, the action would be select Asana, this one, choose an action event. So new submission, the event will be add task to section of project or attach a file, create comment or story, create duplicate task. And as you can see here, you have a ton of options. Okay, so maybe I'm just going to select add task to section of project. Okay, once that's done, sign in with your Asana account. All right, just hit on allow. And once done, it will be connected. Now, just go ahead and hit on Continue. Select the task ID. As you can see here, I don't have any task. So I'm just going to be adding a task right here just for you to see. My tasks. Add a task. Maybe sample for integration. All right. There you go. Once it's connected, go ahead and select your workspace. For example, this one. Select the project. This one. If you want to, you can go ahead and choose another project. If not, just leave it to one. Task name, just add in a new task name. All right. For example, integration with GoCanvas and Asana. All right. You can go ahead and click on this tick box, create Asana task if it doesn't exist yet. All right. Choose project, this project, and then just hit on Continue and test. Okay. Make sure to test everything out. All right, as you can see here, it now got a check mark. Just close this one and it's ready for publishing. Just go ahead over to the top right, click on Publish, wait for it. All right, and once that's done, it activates the workflow, allowing you to define the action to run automatically whenever the trigger event occurs. Okay, each time the trigger event happens, Zapier will execute the associated actions in the connected apps. All right, and that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.